Welcome to another beautiful day in Winterville, North Carolina. I'm Victoria Pinder, and my husband Al and I are your trusted real estate partners here at Living in Greenville TV. Today, I want to take you on a journey through not just a house, but the kind of home that welcomes you in with open arms, invites you to stay, and makes you wonder why you didn't move sooner. This isn't just a new construction. It's a beautifully crafted, thoughtfully designed creekside floor plan nestled in one of Winterville's most peaceful and picturesque communities. If you're looking for that perfect blend of charm, space, and modern amenities, this home delivers on all fronts and then some. Let's start right outside, where the curb appeal speaks volumes. The front porch is wide and welcoming, a true Southern-style entryway with enough space for rocking chairs, seasonal wreaths, and the simple joy of watching the world go by. The landscaping is already established, laid out to offer both aesthetic beauty and easy maintenance. Imagine sipping coffee here on crisp fall mornings or waving to neighbors as kids ride their bikes along the quiet streets. You're not just buying a house, you're stepping into a lifestyle that values peace, privacy, and connection. We've had the joy of helping some wonderful people make this neighborhood home. One sweet couple came to us looking for their retirement dream home, somewhere peaceful and easy to maintain, but with a little extra space for the things that mattered most. For them, that meant Christmas decorations. Yes, really. They had collected special pieces over the years and loved going all out for the holidays. When they found a home with the perfect bonus space to store and display it all, they were over the moon. Now every December their home lights up with warmth and memories, just the way they dreamed. We just want to take a moment to talk about Winterville and why it's one of the most loved parts of Pitt County. We've spent a lot of time here working with families just like yours, and we can honestly say people aren't just moving to Winterville, they're staying. There's a calm here, the kind of peace where kids can play outside, neighbors look out for each other, and you don't feel like you have to rush through your day. It's not just safe, it's the kind of safe that feels like home. And what makes it even better is how close you are to everything in Greenville without feeling like you're in the middle of the busyness. Schools are strong, the neighborhoods are beautiful, and the community really shows up for each other. So if you've been wondering where you should be looking, we'd love to show you around Winterville. Call or text us anytime. We're always here to help you figure out what's best for you and your family. Step through the front door and you're instantly greeted with a spacious foyer designed to make an impression. Protective coverings are in place to keep the gorgeous flooring pristine during the final stages of construction, but even through them, you can see the elegance of the finish. To your right, a stunning flex room bathed in natural light. This space is lined with custom wainscoting and closed off by two elegant French doors with upscale hardware. Whether you dream of a home office, a cozy reading nook, or a formal dining space, this room adapts to your vision with grace. We live here, raise our family here, and truly love this town. From local festivals to quiet mornings at our favorite coffee spots, there's something special about this place that just feels like home. We're always here if you want to ask questions, share what you're looking for, or just hear a little more about what life really feels like in Winterville. Now walk with me into the heart of the home because this living space is truly breathtaking. The open concept living room feels grand yet cozy, grounded by a show-stopping stone fireplace flanked by built-in cabinetry on both sides. These custom shelves aren't just functional, they're focal points. Think family photos, art pieces, or even holiday decor. Above you, soaring 10-foot ceilings with beautiful wood beams tie in perfectly with the home's modern farmhouse design. The beams mirror the tones of the flooring, providing continuity and depth to the space. The result? A room that feels both warm and sophisticated, ready for movie nights, game days, and long conversations by the fire. And just off this stunning space is the kitchen. Oh, this kitchen. A true centerpiece of the home, it's both visually stunning and wildly functional. You'll find white granite countertops, a classic farmhouse sink, stainless steel appliances, and a gas cooktop tied into the city line for seamless, efficient cooking. Every detail here has been curated, from the soft, close cabinetry in a tasteful green tone that contrasts beautifully with the perimeter cabinets, to the built-in microwave and convection oven that make entertaining a breeze. And let's not forget the spacious pantry, fully built out with wooden shelving, giving you the kind of organized storage space most homeowners only dream about. We totally get what it's like to plan a move from afar. It's a lot. That's why Al and I are always here for you, no pressure. We help people relocate here all the time, and we're more than happy to be your trusted local team. Think of us as your boots on the ground, showing homes, asking the questions you'd ask, and making sure you're not missing anything important. When you're ready, just reach out. We've got you. We truly mean it when we say, we're here for you. Whether you're just starting to explore your options, feeling a little stuck, or ready to take the next big step, we've got your back. You don't have to figure this out alone. Al and I are just a click away, and we'd love to hear what's going on, answer your questions, or simply talk it through with you. Use our Calendly link to find a time that works for you. We'll be there, ready to listen and help however we can. The adjoining dining area is perfection. Large, bright, and surrounded by 5 oversized windows that flood the room with light. Imagine hosting Thanksgiving dinner here, where there's space for a long table, ambient lighting, and enough room for everyone you love. Now follow me out to the back of the home, because the magic doesn't stop inside. The screened-in back patio is one of my favorite features of this floor plan. It's expansive enough for multiple seating arrangements, outdoor couches, a dining set, maybe even a swing or daybed. The ceiling fan above keeps the air flowing during hot summer months, and the view, lush, freshly sodded centipede grass and a yard designed for both relaxation and play. It's the kind of space where kids can run free, dogs can chase balls, or you can simply enjoy the quiet beauty of a Carolina sunset. Another of our favorite clients was couples who had been living in the area for a while, but they were ready for something that felt uniquely theirs. They weren't looking for just any home, they wanted the joy of choosing every detail. From the kitchen backsplash to the flooring in the living room, they loved being part of the design process. It wasn't just about buying a house, it was about building something together that reflected their personality and style. Watching it all come together and seeing their smiles when they walked through the finished home, absolutely priceless. From here, we transition back inside through the mudroom, complete with bench seating, built-in hooks, and a space for shoes. This leads directly into a spacious, fully finished 2-car garage with masonry detail and beautiful exterior styling. You'll also find a tankless Rinnai water heater tucked discreetly away, offering endless hot water while saving on energy. Life gets busy, we totally get it, but if you've got real estate on your mind, or even just questions you've been sitting on, let's talk. Al and I make time every week just to connect with folks like you. No pressure, just a real conversation with real people who care. Use our Calendly link to pick a time that's convenient for you, and let's chat soon. We'd love to hear what's on your heart and how we can help, and we're just getting started. Back inside, tucked off a hallway near the kitchen, you'll find a conveniently placed half bath, ideal for guests. Further down that hall, a beautiful full bathroom featuring rich maroon-toned quartz counters, a deep soaking tub, and 2 undermount sinks with luxurious cabinetry beneath. It's elegant, elevated, and everything you'd expect from a home of this quality. Relocating can be exciting, but also a little overwhelming, right? That's where we come in. Al and I are always just a text, call, or message away. We work with a lot of buyers moving in from out of town, and we truly love helping you feel confident about your next step. Whether you need eyes on a property, a feel for the neighborhood, or just someone local who cares, we've got you. We're happy to be your boots on the ground until you're here in person. You'll also find 2 generous bedrooms here, each with tall ceilings, large closets, and lots of natural light. One faces west, the other north, providing different lighting profiles depending on how you plan to use the rooms. Need a nursery, guest space, dedicated hobby area? It's all here, waiting to be personalized. If you've been thinking about your next move, whether it's buying, selling, or just figuring out what's possible, we want you to know you're not alone in it. Al and I are always just a conversation away. We've helped a lot of people walk this path, and we'd be honored to walk it with you too. You can schedule a time to chat with us through our Calendly link. Whatever you're facing, we're here to support you every step of the way. And now let's step into your private retreat, the primary bedroom suite. This room is massive. The tray ceiling with matching wood beams gives it character, while the sheer volume of the space offers so much flexibility. King-size bed? Absolutely. Reading nook, exercise equipment, or extra storage? You've got room for it all. The windows face the backyard, filling the room with soft, natural light, and creating a private sanctuary you'll never want to leave. Whenever you're ready to talk about Winterville, we're right here. Al and I don't just help people move here. We've walked these streets, watched our neighbors' kids grow up, and cheered on the high school football team more times than we can count. We love talking about what makes Winterville feel like home, and we're always happy to share our favorite stories, spots, and what we've learned along the way. Reach out anytime, seriously. We're just a call or message away. The ensuite bathroom feels more like a spa. A freestanding tub sits beneath a large window, flanked by a glass-enclosed walk-in shower with built-in bench and dual niches for your favorite products. The toilet has its own separate room for added privacy, and the dual vanities are topped with elegant quartz accompanied by rich cabinetry and plenty of storage. Not 1, but 2 large walk-in closets complete the space, perfect for couples or anyone with a wardrobe worth showing off. But there's still more. Upstairs, a private bonus room doubles as a fourth bedroom or guest suite. With a full bathroom, walk-in shower, and its own walk-in closet, this space is perfect for visiting family, a teen suite, or even a quiet home office or media room tucked away from the rest of the home. A unique window layout offers a charming view over the neighborhood and your driveway, making it feel cozy yet connected. This home is fully functional, completely beautiful, and ready for its next chapter with you. Winterville is one of the fastest growing, most desirable areas in eastern North Carolina, and it's easy to see why. With a small town feel, top rated schools, a growing list of restaurants and shops, and quick access to all the amenities of nearby Greenville, it offers the best of both worlds. Whether you're relocating, upsizing, or simply ready for a home that matches your lifestyle, Winterville has something special waiting for you. Also in this neighborhood, we also had the privilege of helping a recently divorced mom who was starting a new chapter with her children. Her biggest priority? A safe, fenced-in yard where the kids could play freely. We found a home that checked all the boxes and even arranged to have the fence installed before they moved in. She told us it gave her peace of mind and made the new house feel like home from day one. It wasn't just a yard, it was freedom for her little ones to run, play, and just be kids. And that made all the difference, and this house is the key. Al and I would love to show it to you in person. When you're ready to tour this home, or if you just have questions about the market, your buying power, or even what your current home is worth, we're here to help. We offer complimentary comparative market analyses, CMAs, for sellers, buyers exploring options, and investors looking to build long-term value. If you're thinking about moving here and not sure where to begin, just know you can reach out to us anytime. Seriously. Al and I help relocating buyers all the time, and we know how stressful it can feel trying to make big decisions from miles away. We're happy to be your boots on the ground, checking out homes, giving you honest feedback, and helping you figure out what's really going to work for your life. You don't have to figure it all out alone. We're here when you're ready. This home won't be available for long, and neither will this unique opportunity to live in one of Winterville's most desirable communities. If you've been waiting for a sign that now is the time, this is it. Al and I are here, ready to help you find not just a house, but your home. You can reach out to Al and me anytime, truly. We're just two people who love living in Winterville and enjoy helping others see why. From the way people wave at you on the street to the simple charm of a weekend farmer's market, there's something about this place that makes you breathe a little easier. If you ever want to talk about it, we're always here to chat. No pressure, no sales pitch, just a real conversation from one neighbor to another.